Hi everyone. So I know there's a lot of confusion about how do I upload my assignments. Let me help you because this is going to be something that's going to be very crucial to us being able to run smoothly every single day. First things first, we never submit our assignments up here. You never submit your assignment up here, and you never submit your assignment in Teams. I've been seeing a lot of people have been messaging me their assignments, sending them to my email, or sending them here, or sending them on Teams. The reason why it's important not to do that is because I need one central location for everybody's work. It's just like when you're in class and it's time to turn in your work. Your teacher normally has like a bin, a file cabinet, a folder where she puts everybody's work. If everybody sends me their work in different places, then I won't be able to keep up with everybody's different assignments. I want everyone's assignment to be in one place so there's no confusion about who turned in what, okay? So every day when you get to class, there should be no question about what to do. Every day we are always going to go to the week that we're on, and you're going to click on that week. You're going to click on that day. And Ms. Nelson is going to have two different handout titles for you. The first one is going to look like this with a pencil. The other one is going to look like a document. In order to get started with class, in order to get your handout ready, prepared for class, you're always going to click on the document first. What do? Click on what first? Say it with me. The document first. All right, now, after we've clicked on the document, this is going to come up, and I'm going to click here so that it can download to my computer. Once it gets on my computer, a lot of people are saying, Miss, I can't type. You can't type because you have to enable editing. After you enable editing, you'll be able to put your name and you'll be able to type in here. Okay? Now, let's say Ms. Nelson went through the teacher model with me. I typed my notes. I finished all of my independent work and I'm done with class. Ms. Nelson's about to show you how you're going to submit that. All right, so you're going to click on File, Save As, and then I want to save it as my document, Word document, save. All right, now it's saved to my computer. Okay, so it's saved to my computer. I finished my work. How do I get it to you? What I'm not going to do is click on here and send it to you here, and I'm not going to send it on Teams. This is how I'm going to send it to you. It says submit here. This with the pencil. You'll always upload it to this with the pencil. My screen looks like this on my end, so I can see who submitted it and who didn't, okay? But your screen is going to look like this. When you click on it, you're going to click Submit Assignment. Once you click on Submit Assignment, you're going to click on File. Whenever I click on File on my computer, it doesn't go to Downloads, it doesn't go to Documents. For some reason, I can only find it in Quick Access. So then I would click here, open it, and then click Submit. And then once I click Submit, there will be a different screen, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so let's say I submitted my assignment. It's going to show like this, and there's going to be like a little portfolio with a plus sign. If I need to resubmit my assignment, because let's say I figured out I put the wrong thing in there, I'm going to click here and submit it again. So now you all know how to submit your assignment.